vitamin E oil that I've been raving about in almost every single video. I want to show you guys how I used it as a primer under my makeup. Use a tiny dab. I already have moisturizer on and my skin's looking pretty glowy already, but I'm just going to put this on the areas that have texture. You want to do it under your eyes and in your pores, on your T-zone. It really does help for the makeup to kind of stick to your skin without going into your pores. So you guys know I love Too Faced concealers. Now we're just gonna dot this and under the eyes. I don't really use primers at all. I hate them. It makes my makeup rub off. But now using this oil, I feel like it changed the game. So this is the makeup after it's all blended in. I know it looks a little oily, but we're gonna use a loose powder. This is only for when I'm like doing a no makeup look. Just take a big brush like this. This is from e.l.f. I believe it's the face brush. Just to take away some of the shine so you don't look crazy. So this is the makeup look right here. Super natural, super glowy, super flawless, no pores. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like using this vitamin E oil under your makeup as a primer. So this is my skin after I set all my makeup. I didn't use a setting spray. I just used the vitamin E oil. It looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let's get on with this video. This is the moment you all been waiting for. Don't worry you guys, I did not forget about this video. I know it's been a while, a little bit over a month, but I did not forget. It is here, it is happening. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare video. As you guys know, I've been microneedling at home for about 1 month now. You guys have already seen how I did the whole treatment and what products I've used, but now it's time to see if this actually really worked and how my skin healed throughout this whole process. In this video, you will learn everything that happened in between the weeks of my healing process and how my skin is actually looking after every single treatment. So if you guys haven't already seen my microneedling at home first impressions video, hang out to the end of this video to see that one. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, share this video. All those things really help me to get my content out there and for YouTube to know that you guys like my videos. Enough of me rambling, just keep watching. So as you guys can see, my spots are really flat. It's just the dark spots that are kind of the issue here. I do turn red sometimes just because I do have sensitive skin. So I'm hoping that this works, honestly. But here's a close-up. Ooh! Say hi. 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 Hi guys, what is up? I'm here to show you my skin after 2 weeks of dermarolling. Honestly saw a difference after the first day of dermarolling when I filmed that video. The dark spots on my skin lightened up instantly. My texture of my skin completely smoothed out. That was only after the very first time of doing it. This is the result of my skin now after 2 weeks. So I've done it 2 times so far, but I honestly think my skin has gotten a little bit better. I'm focusing on the dark spots on my skin, so not necessarily these breakouts right here. My breakouts aren't as bad at all. They're usually cystic and super deep in the skin, but now they're like pretty light. They're pretty small. It is like bringing everything to the surface so I can manage it better. My skin started to get grainy because it is in the healing process. I had a lot of dead skin after a week and a half, so I just exfoliated that off. What I did for that is I dry shaved my face, taking off all the dead skin. Any other exfoliators that scrub my skin or anything like that honestly breaks me out, so that's the only thing that works. Honestly, I'm loving the results so far. I just love the feeling of my skin. It feels like baby smooth, no pores. And I feel like after a few more times doing it, these dark spots will eventually like just be gone. I think for the next 2 weeks coming up, I'm going to do the dermarolling twice a week. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I definitely can. I'm about to head out the door. I'll see you guys in about 2 weeks. Hey guys, I'm back with another update. Your girl's looking rough today. I started my period and I'm going through it, but I'm here to show you a skin update after microneedling for about 4 weeks. Overall, like, my skin is getting better and better. It's just, I don't think that it matters if you do it more times in 1 week. It's just taking its time to heal in between treatments. I am breaking out a little bit on my chin over here just because it's the time of the month and that's what my skin normally does. But this time around, the pimple is pretty small. It's not really as cystic as it normally is. And I only have about 1 or 2 of them, so usually I get quite a few. I don't know, it's kind of helping that. And I've been also microneedling my eyebrows because I heard it helps make your hair grow back, and I had a lot of sparse areas in my eyebrows, but it's kind of growing back. I kind of have fuller brows. So overall texture of my skin has improved significantly. So this time around, I honestly just focused on my scars. I did not dermaroll my whole entire face like I did for the first 2 weeks, just because I did see little spots, like little tiny bumps. I don't know if that's because you're like poking holes in your skin and then it looks like it's gonna be a pimple, but then it goes away. I got really nervous about doing the spots that aren't breaking out, and I don't want it to make it worse. Just to even everything out, I might do one more treatment where it's my whole entire face and show you guys what it looks like after that. But yeah, I switched it up this time around just because I wanted to see what is more effective. Okay, so I think that's enough rambling for today. I am going to get my life together. But I just wanted to show you guys my skin, and I'm just gonna give you guys an up close look really quick. So I don't know if you guys can see, but my skin is completely smooth. And these are just older dark spots that I just need to get rid of. But usually my dark spots come all the way up to my hairline, and it actually is now just right in this area. But what I've noticed is the dark spots around in this area have gone away. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next update. Hi guys, so it is 2 days after the last update of my skin. So this time around, I microneedled the whole face. I also did a little bit under my eye area to see if it would lighten up my dark circles. It did a little something. It did make a difference. As far as my skin goes, it is improving every single time that I do this treatment. However, it is not stopping me from breaking out, which is fine because now my pimples are more manageable and the products that I use to get rid of the pimples are working more effectively, which before I would get cystic acne, I would get them everywhere and it would be so hard to manage my skin. But the biggest difference I've noticed is just the texture of my skin. It has taken away some of the dark marks I did have. I just looked back on the video that I started with compared to now, and it doesn't really look like there's much of a difference just because my skin did break out this time around. I just noticed like the overall appearance of my skin is way better, especially when I wear makeup. So this is my skin. Besides from all the breakouts that are happening on my skin right now, around it, all of the texture has gone away and most of the dark spots have minimized a lot. So regardless if I'm still breaking out or not, it really does help the overall texture and the appearance of the dark spots of my old scars. But this is only the first month, so I would give it about 3 months to get the full effect. But I'm honestly happy on how fast it worked. I genuinely love all the products that I've used with this skincare routine. My skin didn't overreact at all. It did not get sensitive, did not do what it normally does when I try new products. So that's how I know that all the products that I've used are really good for your skin. I'm loving the results so far. I hope you guys try this treatment. But that's it for these updates. I'll see you guys next time. But overall, I really do like this treatment. I really do feel like this is the only thing that's really helping me with my skin and managing it way better than before. My skin is not perfect, but it is way better than what it used to be, you guys. Like, I cannot preach enough how much this has helped my skin. I don't know if you guys can really see the difference on camera, but in person, trust me, like I feel it, I see it, believe in it. I highly suggest you try it. Please check out all the products that I've used in this video, just because I know they work for me, so I hope they work for you. But then again, everybody's skin is different. Also, if you guys try this treatment at home and it honestly has worked for you, please leave a comment down below so I know what works for you guys. I know it's hard to find a treatment or a routine that works for all skin types, so especially if you have different skin than I do, I just want to know if this treatment works for you. I do want to make another video in the future about the mistakes that you can make while microneedling. Stay tuned for my next video. If you guys are interested, subscribe down below so you guys don't miss the next one. But I'll see you guys in the next video.